Philippine contingent of the 46th Ship for Southeast Asian and Japanese Youth Program. For the distinct privilege to address young Filipino leaders, united in advancing transformational leadership, peace, and intercultural understanding as an instrument for nation-building and ASEAN regional cooperation. Ang tunay na hamon ng ating panahon ay maging handa ang kabataan para sa kasangkapan ng pagbabago at pagpapaunlad. Sama-sama tayong tumugon sa hamong ito at maging tunay na pag-asa ng ating bansa.
Salamat sa pagkakataon na binigyan mo.
What if we remove this? What can we do? You guys are called SK officials, but you're more than your name. And you have to dig deeper to that. You have to cling on that principle na hindi ako binoto para lang pasarili ko yung konting tao.
From all around the world, we share the same sun, we share the same oceans. We are every boy and girl.
I see a lot of potentials in the youth of today.
Share dreams, we be amongst the stars, and we know that it's destiny, and we are unity.
We sacrifice a lot of things just to represent the Philippines so well.